Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about something a lot of you have been asking me about lately, whether or not Acorns uses Zelle. Now, before we get into that, let's take a quick step back and talk about what Acorns is and what Zelle is. Acorns is an investing app that helps you save and invest your money automatically. It's a great way to set financial goals and reach them over time. Zelle, on the other hand, is a fast, safe, and easy way to send and receive money with friends, family, and businesses. So, now that we know what these two things are, let's get back to the question at hand. Does Acorns use Zelle? The answer is yes. Acorns does use Zelle. This means that you can easily transfer money between your Acorns account and your bank account using Zelle. This is a great way to get your money where you need it quickly and easily. Now, let's talk about how to use Zelle with Acorns. First, you'll need to set up Zelle in your Acorns app. To do this, go to the Settings tab and select Payment Methods. Then, click on Add a Bank or Card and select Zelle. You'll then need to enter your bank account information. Once you've set up Zelle, you can use it to transfer money between your Acorns account and your bank account. To do this, go to the Transfer tab and select Zelle. You will then need to enter the amount you want to transfer and the recipient's email address or phone number. Here are a few things to keep in mind when using Zelle with Acorns. Zelle is only available for US-based accounts. You can only transfer money to or from a bank account that is enrolled in Zelle. There is a limit to the amount of money you can transfer using Zelle in a single day. Now that you know how to use Zelle with Acorns, I encourage you to give it a try. It's a great way to make your life easier and save money. In addition to using Zelle, Acorns also offers a number of other features, such as the ability to invest in different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and ETFs. The ability to set up automatic investment plans. The ability to track your investment progress over time. If you're looking for an easy and effective way to save and invest your money, I highly recommend checking out Acorns. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, happy investing.